everybody! Have you ever seen these? Those are called HOZUKI in Japanese. I haven't actually had it before, but I got them from my brother. It's also called orange cherry. It would taste like a tomato, but it's sweeter, and cherry, but more fresh. Those aren't enough, so I got these little Japanese orange. It's called KINKAN. So today I'm gonna make a jam. At this moment, I don't know how much the condiments will be. I need to know how much I have the orange total. So, first of all, you're just gonna put all the oranges into a bowl of water. All the KINKAN orange and HOZUKI out of the skin. Heat it up until it gets boiled. So this is gonna take all the bitterness and of course make them really soft. Now take them out of the water. This is very important to take out all these stem ends and dark color part to make it beautiful orange color when it becomes jam. I know it takes a bit of time, but this is very important. Cut it in half. And it has many seeds inside. So take everything out and clean them. And then you even separate inside part and the skin. Now everything is separated, so you just mince them with a cooking knife to make them really smooth. Same thing for the skin. Oops, it has the green part. So of course, you take it out. Then make them really thin. Now, all the oranges weigh 150 grams total. So you can calculate how much it will need sugar. This time I would need 100 grams of sugar total. So I'm going to use 50 grams of sugar and 50 grams of syrup, a teaspoon of lemon juice, and this time I'm going to use a teaspoon of rum. This is going to give some special flavor to it. Okay, so you're going to cook it with the sugar and the syrup, which I love. This is a special syrup. It's made with rice. But you can use any kind of syrup, or you can just use sugar, whichever you like. And water to cover the orange. Heat it up. You're just going to continue cooking until it gets really, really nice and sticky and jammy. When I was small, because I loved the oranges so much, I was eating so many of oranges, especially when I was eating tangerines almost every day in the winter. Suddenly, I just realized my hands and my tongues become yellow. That looked something. Ever since then, I started not to eat so much of oranges. It was kind of pity, but because it looked kind of scary. Anyway, continue cooking until everything becomes like this, nicely sticky. So when it looks like this, it should be really yummy. Please keep it in a sterilized container, as usual. Because of the bit of work, the color becomes so beautiful. So I would eat this with yogurt and of course you can eat it as a jam on the toast. いただきます。You might think this just tastes like marmalade. It actually tastes between the orange and the tomato, as I said. And I like this texture of the skin. I like it. Every time I bite it, it just gives me the freshness of orange. It doesn't actually have the bitterness just like marmalade. It's sweeter, but has freshness as well. So I think it was very, very interesting to make jam out of this fruit. So I think any kind of fruit can be jam or confiture. Therefore, you can enjoy it in many ways for a long time. So if you find an interesting fruit, please try to make jam. I think you'll enjoy it. So thank you for watching. See you. Bye.